This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Bethany White. This updated home has all of today's modern conveniences with character and charm. Featuring a gourmet kitchen with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. All new flooring throughout. Floor plan is great for entertaining or just relaxing. Updated baths and fixtures. New roof and HVAC system. Very convenient to Portsmouth Naval Medical Center, Norfolk Naval Shipyard, Olde Town Portsmouth, and shops. Welcome home. For more information, review the details below.